Saan mo makakalimutan na rin kita. Hayaan mo makagraduate din ako. Nagiging happy din ako. Huwag kang mag-alala kasi hindi na ako magpapakita o magpaparamdam pa sa'yo. Sapat na minahal mo ako. Sapat na rin nalala. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Ayun lang po, Papa Jack.
Goodbye.
And goodbye na rin.
What do you wish for him?
I love you, Chris, and goodbye. Yun na lang po.
Okay.
Opo.
Are you better?
Yeah. I'm feeling better now.
All right. Christine?
Opo.
I join you dun sa heartaches na meron ka ngayong gabi. Letting go of someone's never been easy, mga kaibigan. It's always been difficult. Alright?
Opo.
Kasi, alam niyo mga kaibigan, when you let go of someone, o pag dumating yung time na wala kang choice but to let go, say goodbye to someone, especially sa napaka-close sa buhay mo, sa puso mo, you're not just letting go of the person, you're letting go of the memories. Di ba? Of the plans, the dreams you have together. Ang pinakamahirap i-let go sa lahat, yung pangarap yung magkasama kayo. That one day you're going to build a house, puting bahay, 3 anak, may kotse kayo. At yung mga petty dreams na meron kayo pag naglalandingan kayo, but it matters a lot, especially to you. Tama?
Opo.
That's 4 years. 4 years kayo, di ba?
Opo.
18 ka, di ba?
Opo.
Nangyaya ka, 14, may jowa ka na.
Dapat first sight po eh. First love ko siya.
Hindi madaling, kasi, alam mo, ang masaya at malungkot na part dito, Christine, dun sa pinakamapusok na stage ng buhay natin, which is teenage years, di ba?
Opo.
Nag-stick ka sa kanya. Which is not easy to do, mga kaibigan. Yung mag-commit ka ng 4 na taon sa pinaka, di ba, vulnerable part of our lives, teenager yan, 14 to 18, napakapapasok natin yan. It only shows na you love the guy so much.
Opo.
Di ba? Maybe he means the world to you. Tama?
Opo.
But guess what, Christine? The world will not end just because he's gone.
I know.
Diba? You may love the guy for 4 years, you're 14 until 18, pero nabuhay ka ng 14 years prior to this na hindi mo siya kailangan. For the next 14 years or 50 years ng buhay mo, kaya mo to without him. At least you had 4 years, diba, to remember. Balak araw, tama?
Opo.
Diba? At least meron kang 4 na taon to remember. 4 na taon to cherish. It's not wasted. May mga tao nagmahal, di ba? They were never really given a chance, di ba, to be loved in return. Pero ikaw, minahal ka niya in 4 years. Alam mo, Christine, gusto ko magalit na nagtaksil sa itong lalaking to. Ayaw kitang bigyan ng bad memories about him. Kasi you love the guy so much. Alam natin, you will be happy remembering him as a part of your life. Tama?
Opo.
Marami kang natutunan sa kanya. Marami kang nalaman. Maybe in the next 10 years of your life, di ba? There will be times sa buhay mo na uupo ka sa isang sulok. You will look outside sa wilderness and you can still, di ba, see his face clearly. As if you can hold his face. You can touch his face. Tama?
Opo.
Because that's how he is. He is so alive in your heart. Alam mo maganda rito, Christine?
Ano po?
This is not your loss.
Opo.
Kawalan niyo to because diba, he lost someone who can love him with everything. Pag nagmahal ka ulit, Christine, do not forget to give your everything. Pag nagmahal ka ulit, do not forget, diba, to love your next boyfriend with all that you have. Basta pag nagmamahal tayo, mga kaibigan, it's a deal, diba, that we will be hurt. No matter how hard, diba, our partner would try to take care of us, we will always be hurt, no matter what. Because the very person that we love the most will be the same person who will hurt us the most. Diba?
Opo.
At yun ang nangyari sa'yo. You're crying right now Maybe it feels like it's the end of the world, but don't worry, Christine. Huwag ka mag-alala. Alam mo kung bakit? Habang umiyak ka, lumalakas ka. All that cannot kill you will only make you stronger. Alright?
Opo.
One of my friends told me, actually narinig ko sa kanya, DJ din siya sa Easy Rock, sister station namin. At hindi ko makakalimutan. Mga kaibigan, kasi gugarali ko yan, ako I watch film para makapick up ng linya. Mga logic. Hindi naman linya para gayahin, pero yung logic. Like kay Lex Luthor, sabi niya, loving someone is never about playing safe, it's about taking the risks. Sabi ni Justin Taylor ng Easy Rock, alam mo, sabi niya, it's never about the destination. It's about the journey. Pag tumanda ka na, pag 50 anyos ka na, sa tumba-tumba ka na, you will look back and you'll remember 4 years of your life, you were happy. Diba? It's a part of your journey, diba? Na alam mo na, mas maganda nang napagdaanan mo kaysa hindi na lang. Diba?
Opo.
Alright, maraming salamat sa pagtawag, Christine. Nilipas din niya, huwag ka mag-alala. Makakatagban na lang magmamahal sa'yo. You deserve to be loved, diba? Because you have a good heart. Love hurts sometimes when you do it right, ika nga. Alright, salamat sa pagtawag. I'd like to dedicate the song to you and to Miss Mama Ali Soto, nakaantabay ngayon. Nag-text siya, alam mo, sabi ni Mama Ali, wow, naks in love ha? Sabi mo, in love ba? Siyempre, in love ako, Mama. Ikaw, Mama Ali, kamusta na ang avocado tree sa bahay mo? Alam mo, ha? Kamusta na, Mama, ang avocado tree? Ay, Mama Ali, dumaan nga pala yung kambal kagabi dito, pero tulog silang dalawa. So, kinawayan ko sila nakatulog. Maraming salamat sa pagtawag, Christine.
Okay po.
Coming from David Pomeranz, originally by Barry Manilow, the old song. Salamat, ha?
Sige, thank you po.
Okay.